Hi, I'm Mike Hirsch. Welcome to Hirsch Fruit Farm. I'm going to show you the cider mill. This is where we make cider in the fall and winter. We make about 30 to 35,000 gallons of cider a year in anywhere from 500 to 1,500 gallon batches. Each bin holds about 18 bushel apples, and you get relatively close to 3 gallons of cider per bushel of apples, depending on the variety. Some are a little higher and some are a little lower. But the bin of apples would go in here, and then we dump it up, run it through a washer that has chlorinated water in it, and then it would go up this, which is the elevator, and it dumps it into the grinder. The grinder grinds it up into a small pulp. It has more surface area and you can get more juice out of it rather than a whole apple. We put that into the squeeze box through a pump. The squeeze box has these little bags in it where the pulp goes, and then it will go side to side and squeeze the apples out. The waste, after the cider is squeezed out, flips over and goes out onto a conveyor belt, which runs out to a vehicle that will take it out to the livestock. We pump it through a series of screens to make sure there aren't any pieces in the cider, and then it goes into a holding tank, a stainless steel insulated holding tank, and the ultraviolet light machine runs off of that holding tank, and then it'll take it over to the stainless steel tanks in the cooler, where that's where we will do the jugging. First cider will be available the week of our open house, September 18th and 19th. Hopefully we'll have it in the stores earlier in the week. Right now I'm waiting on us to pick some sweet apples to mix with the tart apples that we already have, so they got the right ratio for a good product. So thanks for coming to Hirsch Fruit Farm, and you can have it available at the Seney Road store behind Olive Garden, or here at the farm, or Saturday mornings through September and October at the Farmers Market at the Service Center on Western Avenue. Thanks.